let you go. Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you
My YouTube channel, I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett. And today you guys are in for a special treat. As you can see, I have some awesome, beautiful guests. We're going to start introducing ourselves. Y'all wait to camera. I'm going to let these lovely people introduce themselves. We're going to start from the right to the left. And they'll tell you their names. And then we'll get into what we're going to do this video for. All right, you can start it off.
Zanila. Hi, it's me, Jasmine. Hey, Lisa. What's up? It's me, Charles.
Y'all, these are my beautiful nieces and nephews. And today, like I said, you guys are in for a special treat. We just gonna jump on into the video, okay? So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a Crocs unboxing. Yes! We're gonna unbox our new Crocs. And we're going to show you everything we got. We're going to show you our Crocs. We're going to show you our Jibbitz. And then we're going to decorate our Crocs and we're going to show you guys the finished touches. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Alright, so let's jump into it. As you can see, y'all, oh my God. We got our Croc bags.
3 bags.
3 bags, y'all. Lord have mercy. I ain't going to tell y'all how much this stuff costs, okay? But it don't matter. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you guys our shoes first, and then we'll show you guys our Jibbitz, and then we'll decorate them, all right? All right, start with this bag right here. So, the first Crocs.
Okay.
So, show them your Crocs. All right, these are the first ones. These are the ones that...
See closer.
Come through.
Show it.
Tell them the color. Tell them something about it.
Okay, my Crocs are yellow, but they're kind of green. They're fluffy inside. Well, it's light green. It's fluffy inside, and they make me feel happy.
Oh, I like that. The next ones in the bag we're going to unbox are these. Whoever those are.
These are mine. They're cool. They're multicolored. And they're fluffy inside, which makes my feet feel soft.
Turn them around so they can see them.
360.
Go up a little bit so they can see them. Turn them up. There you go. All right. Next Crocs. Okay. Take them out. Show them your Crocs.
Hey guys, these are my Crocs.
Turn them this way, sweetheart.
Hey guys, these are my Crocs, and I love them. They are beautiful and cool.
Tell them what colors are they?
They're pink, white, and orange, and they make me happy, and I love my new shoes.
All right. 3 people have showed you their Crocs. We're gonna go to the next one. Tell them about your Crocs.
They have glitter, and it's white, and
They can't see them. We can't see you in the frame.
it's white, and it has glitter, and it has like some yellow glitter in the background, and yeah, I like them. They're pretty.
Hold them up closer to the camera so they can kind of see them. Let it focus on it so they can kind of see them. I don't know if y'all can see it. The ring light kind of bright. But they super cute. I'll get a picture and a tag it.
Oh, there it is.
Okay. Oh, there it is. So that's their Crocs. And of course, I couldn't go to the Crocs store and not get me no Crocs, okay? So I'm super excited because the Crocs that I have, you guys, if you've been rocking with me on my channel, you guys know I like Crocs, but I like the sandal Crocs. So I'm excited because these actually are my first pair of clog Crocs. So I'm going to show you guys my first pair of clogs. So these are mine. The reason why I got these colors is because I don't have this color. They are gray with like a glitter. I'm gonna see if the camera will focus on it. Like a glitter sole. Super cute. Let me look at it to get the correct naming for them because I think they're Mega Crush. Yeah, they're called Classic Crush Glitter Clogs. So I'm excited about it. It's my first pair of clogs. So now that you've seen every one Crocs, let's show them again. Let's start with Nala. Hold them up. Nala. All right, Jasmine, hold yours up. All right, these are mine. Hold yours up, Sherelle. Towards the front. They don't want to see the back. There you go, Charles. Hold yours up. The front.
The front, okay.
Good. Now that we showed you guys our Crocs, now we're gonna show you guys some of the Jibbitz that we bought. Now with the Jibbitz, they actually we have a lot of Jibbitz. So they actually had a sale. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you two. So you know how they have the little packs, the Uniquely You packs? They had these on sale for $4.97. So if you buy 2 of these packs, 2 of them, you get 4 free. So we got a whole bunch of them. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of show you. I'm gonna just show you what I have. Some of them are, let me see if we're gonna focus on them. I don't know if y'all can see that. But some of them are the same, because some of them wanted the same Jibbitz. So yeah, these right here have little cats on it, and yeah, these are Julia's. They have like some skateboards and a yin yang on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let them show you guys 2 by 2 some of the Crocs. Some of them. So they have these. Hold them up so they can see them.
These are both of mine.
So some of the ones that they hold up, it might not exactly be theirs, but they just gonna hold them up so that you guys can see them.
Oh, they also light up. So if you just hit it, it'll light up.
Good. Alright, so these are not specifically hers, but she's gonna show you these Crocs, these Jibbitz, just so you guys can see them. Go up and show them those Jibbitz.
Okay, so we got these. We got these ones, and we got this one with the rainbow and everything. Yeah. Oh.
Alright, Junior, show them yours.
These are my Jibbitz. I got these. I got an avocado and an eye and a heart and a taco and hot sauce, and it says Tuesday on this. And then I think this is supposed to be Taco Tuesday. And this one is a dinosaur, a hot dog, and a banana. And I think this one, I don't know what type of dinosaur is this, but I think this was a Triceratops. And there's a car on it.
Alright. Sherelle, show them some of them. Some of the Jibbitz that we got.
Okay, so we got some of the Jibbitz, like, here, but you can't see them. Never mind.
Oh, they can see them in focus. Tell them what it is.
You guys, so we have these Jibbitz right here, and these ones, it's a rainbow, a unicorn, and yeah, and when you hit them, they all lights up.
Oh, that's cute. I didn't even know the kitty cat lit up. I like those.
That the cat can light up. The big cat can light up.
Okay, bye.
Alright, so we have a few more, but like I said, because of the sale and they wanted some of the same Jibbitz, some of them are the same as what they already have shown you. So I'm going to just show y'all again. And these, I really like these. These are the light up ones Jasmine showed you guys earlier. Alright.
And I like these ones.
For mine, I got some Jibbitz. My particular ones, for my gray ones, y'all know I like me a good thing. So I got me some Hello Kitty Jibbitz. And some other, like, I got like, they're all silver Jibbitz. And it has like a pink color scheme to it. So I'm going to show you guys some of the Jibbitz that I got. Alright, I'm going to start with these. I'm going to come up. I got 2 of everything too, so I'm going to just show you one. So I got these Hello Kitties. Is it focusing? I might have to get you to show them. Take that up. Show them the Hello Kitties.
Got the Hello Kitty.
Is it showing? Alright, I might have to pin a picture of them.
Yeah, well, it's Hello Kitty.
And then I have these cute little pink hearts. I think I'm going to come up, because I think if I come up a little, you guys will be able to see it. Let me start over. Hold on, y'all. When it focused, there it is. So I got these cute little Hello Kitties. I have 2 of those. I got these cute little hearts. They're pink and black. Oh, super cute. I got those. And then I got these white and black ones. Hearts like the pink ones. Cow print. Super cute. And then I got these little cute little hearts here. See if it will focus. Pink. Oh, there it is. Pink heart. Can y'all see that? I got those. And then I also got some extra ones that I'm not gonna put in there. I'm gonna just save these for later, because I need, oh, I didn't show y'all these. I'm gonna put these on there. The little Hello Kitty bow. I am gonna put those. Let me see. Did it focus? Come on. I'm trying to. There it is. It's a pink bow. Super cute. And then the ones that I was telling you about, I got some cute donuts. I'm not gonna put these on there. With the sale, I had to get like 2 more. 2 or 4, I think 4 more. So I just got these little extra ones that I seen. It's a donut. And then this one is like some icing and falling or something. So maybe I'll put these in a pair of Crocs in the future. I'll just put them in my Jibbitz bag, my little extras. Okay, I don't think y'all can see that. Oh, there it is. Alright, so that's mine. So basically mine's gonna have a Hello Kitty theme. Alright, we about to decorate and design. Y'all ready?
Yeah!
Let's go. Alright, y'all, we just finished making our Crocs. Lord, it took forever. I did my Crocs. I started helping and working on their Crocs. But we successfully have finished our Crocs. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna give them an opportunity to show their Crocs and explain whatever they want to explain about their Crocs, okay? So let's start with Junior, since we started this way last time. Go up, Junior. Tell them about your Crocs.
Alright, so mine.
Go up so they can see.
So mine has a car and a grape and a pineapple and an emoji wearing headphones and a bomb and gold and a face that has so many colors. And I got a tuck and this one and my other one says I love Taco Tuesday, and then I got a, what's this called? I got a yin yang.
A yin yang.
Yin yang, and I got a rainbow skateboard.
All right, super cool. I really like them.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna go with Sherelle. Sherelle gonna show you her Crocs and her creation that she made.
Okay, so I got a watermelon, dinosaur, and a cat, and a rainbow, and I have a rainbow, a watermelon,
And some frosting, some running frosting.
some frosting, and cat, and
It's a cat person. You a cat person? You a cat person?
No.
You not? But why you got cat person? Yes, you are a cat person. Do you have a cat?
Yes.
Tell them your cat
It's
name.
a baby cat.
Okay, go up there and tell them your cat name.
Rhodey.
What?
Rhodey.
Okay, so
And what else? It's words. What the?
Okay, go up there and show them your Crocs again. Because the whole time while you was explaining, you was looking at them. So turn around so they can just see them. So everything she explained, hold those one up. That's her Croc creation. Alright. Alright, you come back. I guess I can show you guys mine. So I'm going to come up. Mine is simple. They both look the same. Have the same Jibbitz on both. Just probably in a different space. I got a Hello Kitty inspired Crocs. So I got those hearts on there that I showed y'all earlier. The little Hello Kitty face. I got the little Hello Kitty bow. I got a pink heart. And then I just added the little pink donut for some pizzazz. So those are mine. My Hello Kitty ones.
Come on.
Alright. So Sherelle, go ahead. Jasmine, go ahead and show yours.
So all of them kind of look the same, but they are not. So I got a smiley. What's it?
Smiley face?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's a smiley face with star eyes.
Smiley face with star eyes. And then I got a watermelon, a peace sign right there. And then I got a cat, a rainbow. And then on the other side, I got the same thing. And a unicorn at the top. And that's all.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, last but not least, we have Zanala.
So, I have the pineapple and another pineapple. And then I have this one that says cat person. And then I have a rainbow. And I have a peace sign. And I have a unicorn. And I have another cat. And this one, it says peace, rainbow, unicorn. And yeah, that's mine. I'm done.
Alright, y'all. So those were our Crocs designs. You can't see you. Those were our Crocs designs. So, yep, we have come to the end of the video. We would like for you, if you like this video and what you've seen, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Do y'all have anything else y'all would like to say?
No.
Okay, what you want to say?
So, I feel like when I made my Crocs, I feel like they made me happy, and I have other Crocs at my house, but they're not here. And I have new Crocs, which make me happy.
Alright, somebody's grateful. Uh-huh.
Once I put the Jibbitz on, I was putting them on. It kind of hurt my finger, but even though that, I still love them, and they're perfect.
Alright. Go ahead.
Making this video is inspiring for other people, like other YouTubers.
Come up so I can see you.
To unbox things and show other people in the world like how much unboxing stuff and showing new things to them
Can be fun, huh?
Yeah, can be fun.
Especially when you do it with your family, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we never did this before. This was fun.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, thanks for those words. All right, y'all. Oh, go ahead, Sherelle.
Okay, guys. So it makes me feel like I am happy to have my new Crocs, and it just made me want to put on my new Crocs. But if you guys want some Crocs like
You
this,
talking, but they can't see you. You talking to the ground.
but if you guys want some Crocs like this, you gotta buy it from the store.
That's so true. All right, y'all. So that's the end of the video. Stay tuned if you would like to see them on our feet, and we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, everybody, we about to try them on. Stay tuned. So if you want to see them, stay tuned.
Like, subscribe, and comment, please.
All right.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming